Okay, so let's learn the very basics of Blender, how to move an object. And this is up here. This is the Z-axis, this is up. Let me zoom in. So this is up, the green Y is forward and back, the red is left and right. Let's move this up, but I'm not going to click on this blue arrow here. That's one way I could move it up, but we're learning how to do this with Python and not by clicking things. So I'm going to type the commands over here. First thing I'm going to say is A equals bpy dot context dot object, and that assigns the cube to A. Let's zoom back in there and take a look at that. See how it says cube, and A has a location and it's 0. And well, that's where the default cube is placed. And I can see over here its location is 0. Yep. So I'm going to change that. I'm going to move the cube upwards by saying location on the Z equals 2. And when I hit enter, it moves the cube up 2 units, or to the second coordinate there. To move up by something, you actually use plus. Plus equals any number, and that will move it in increments. If you repeat it, hit the up arrow on the console. All right, I want to move it back down, so I'm going to change the plus to a minus, and then I'll be able to move the cube back down to the 0 point. Alright, so that's the Z. Let's move something forward on the Y. Actually, that looks like backwards, so we'll change the minus to a plus, and now I can move this thing forwards. Alright, so that's location, and here is left and right, and yeah, that's to the right, and negative would be to the left on the X. Okay,